Live between the what and the why. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And in today's video, I know that title sounds really weird, but I've been saying it a lot recently. So let me get into what I want to talk about, why I want to show you what I'm saying. So all right, last video I spoke that I had a strong feeling that these seemed really close to where our decision line is. So this is the decision line that our fit model is creating. And what I want to show you, what I hypothesized, and this is what we'll get to. This is our midpoint of our X. So I flipped it around and found the midpoint of our Y between our groupings. And what I want to draw your attention to is if you look right here, this is the actual pivot point of our decision line. So what am I really talking about here? So this seems to be a theme that I've either spoken to in my personal, my private, my work, my YouTube life, my teaching and training, and just general. So we need to live between the what and the why. And what do I mean by that? Well, you need to be curious. And you need to be trying to figure out what you want to do, and then start to ask questions. But if you begin to understand what is happening, like I was sitting here and I was curious, and I still know nothing. I'm 80% good at the first 1% of machine learning. But I was curious. I took the information that was out there and I started to play with it, and I made it my own and was asking questions, and I was playing around. So I get asked this a lot. If I watch all of your videos, will I be able to get a job? No. You got to get in the mud. You got to get dirty. You got to play around with this stuff. It's got to become a part of you. This is an extension of you. Programming is an extension of you. It's a programming language. So it just takes your thoughts of how you would problem solve and write it in a different language. That's all it is, but it's still your thoughts, your ideas, how you would problem solve. It would be your consciousness coming out how you would approach. I was talking with a coworker just the other day, and we independently did and came to a solution for a problem. And we got the same answers, but our approach was so different because our thought processes were different. But I can't say this enough, is between the what and the why. What is happening? Why is it doing that? And when you start to ask those questions, you're going to become more curious. You're going to experiment, and then you're going to learn something. It's basically, it's the human machine learning. I mean, you get a feedback loop. You try. I think I did a video on this. Think, try, fix. And that's it. And it just seems to be so recurring. And I have a new hobby that I've been doing. I'm on the fence about starting a new channel and just pontificating about other things. But between the what and the why, I love that you are here watching these videos. I really do. It is a great joy. It makes me feel like I'm helping solve people's problems. But what I need you to make sure you're doing is then taking this and doing this for yourself. I love that you're watching these. This is great. But you've got to get down in the mud and get dirty and play around with these things if you're interested in them. And I'm sure there are other things on the channel that you may want to do or may not. I had this discussion with my daughter just the other day. We were talking about something, and she says, yeah, I know I'm good at it, but I don't like it. Yeah, well, that's life. You're going to have plenty of things that you're good at doing, but you don't like doing them. And you need to either figure out a way, because there's some disconnect there. And because if you're good at it, you need to lean into it. And there may be an aspect of it at which you can take something from. But if it is a skill that you're able to do, I promise you there's something there. Or you may be able to extrapolate that and apply it to something else. But don't waste a skill if you're good at that skill. Just keep that in your back pocket. So, all right, be curious, live between the what and the why. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. And as always, guys, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.